Just wanted to get a video. This is the Freeman Don't Ask DD19.2 V1.2 frame in the CMW stipple. This was printed using PLA Plus with a Creality Ender 3 V2. This is right off the printer. It just came off about 5 minutes ago. I haven't done anything to it yet. Just wanted to show everybody what it looks like when it comes out. This one looks really good. Not too bad of lining on it. The grip is really clean on this. Same with the lines. Mag release is really nice. And now that I have all the supports removed, here it is. As you can see, it looks pretty clean. This was printed rails up. The internals on this look really, really good. Everything printed nicely. The supports ripped out super easy on the inside. No supports on the inside magwell. Very, very nice print. Very pleased with this. Let me know if you guys want me to do a rundown of my settings. I can do that. If you enjoyed the channel and the video, appreciate you coming by and checking it out. Give me a subscribe. See ya.